Today, there is a serious alert from the largest system that concerns every one of us, our planet. The climate warning light is on. If we do not act very quickly, this light will stay red and it will be too late. SPIE's objective is simple: to be part of the solution. As a specialist in technical systems, we are strengthening our action in favor of a less energy-intensive society that limits global warming and contributes to our energy independence. We're helping our customers to reduce their energy consumption and carbon footprint in all the European countries where we are established. We're doing this by modernizing buildings and facilities with high-performance technical and energy management systems and carrying out efficient maintenance, extending and strengthening electricity networks and directly providing our customers with access to low-carbon energy, implementing responsible digital services, installing charging stations for electric vehicles, modernizing public transportation and delivering traffic optimization solutions. And we also ensure that these virtuous approaches apply to ourselves by reducing our own carbon footprint thanks to the rapid electrification of our large vehicle fleet and collaborating with our suppliers on climate action. This is part of the company's sustainability roadmap, which includes two other long-standing priorities within SPIE: the protection of human safety and promotion of gender diversity. Awareness of environmental and social issues is growing on all sides. Coalitions of interests including customers, suppliers, and investors are following this same path of transformation. We are only at the very beginning. Alongside them, SPIE employees are working and innovating day to day to deliver energy transition solutions for a more sustainable Europe. Now.